Hey there, it is Harry. If you want to edit a scanned PDF or image but don't know how, we will show you 6 ways in this video. By using popular tools like Adobe, or editing online free even using free software. The first, also the best, is to use Adobe Acrobat. Doubtlessly it has the best OCR, recognizing a scan with highest accuracy, and keep the original formatting. To edit a scanned PDF, open the file in Adobe Acrobat. Then go to Edit. It will auto-recognize your file. And it keeps the same look as that before the OCR process. Now the PDF is ready for editing. Select the text. You will be able to enter new text matching the text style nearby. Also, you can delete text or replace text as you like. Finally, click Save button to apply the changes. Surely, it allows users editing an image as well. Just add the image to Acrobat, then click Edit and modify the file as you like. If you have Adobe Photoshop, you can edit your scan in this tool. Open the file in Photoshop. Go to the text that you want to edit, take a screenshot of the text, and find out what font it is via online tool. Then go back to Photoshop, duplicate the layer first. Enter the new text you want to replace with. Make sure they have the same property as the original text. If you cannot find the same font, use a similar one. Then select Erase the text. Choose a Fill option to keep the original background. Finally, save the file. If you don't want to use Adobe tools, there are online solutions as well. The first one is Google Docs. Upload your file to Google Drive first, then open with Google Docs. The scanned file will be converted to editable text, but the formatting is lost. You need to reformat, and this may take some time. So here we recommend another free way to edit a scanned PDF. First, go to Invest in Tech website, upload and convert the scanned document to editable Word format first. Then edit the file in a word processor. But it is not perfect. The OCR doesn't work on some parts. Also, you can OCR your file with online OCR website. The result is quite good. If you are a Mac user, Preview helps on editing a scanned document because it supports recognized scanned texts. Open the file in Preview. Then select the texts and copy them to a Pages document. You will be able to edit the format there. Finally, save or export the file as PDF. Also, there is another free program can help on this task. It is PDF Gear. though it only lets users perform OCR on the scanned document. You can still copy or export and edit the file in a word processor. It is not a solid option, but it is free to use.